Hey dear students, welcome back to e-learning platform of GS College of Commerce, Verda. I'm Assistant Professor Rajeshwari Sharma here, and this lecture is for the BCom 6th sem for the subject Advanced Statistics. So here we are dealing with our second unit, that is regression analysis, and under that we are dealing with the type 2 problem, that how to calculate the regression equation and how to predict the value of one variable when another is given with the help of standard deviation. Okay. So in last lecture we have seen that we have seen a kind of direct problem when the standard deviation is given. Now we have to find out the now we have been given a problem which is a kind of word problem. Here we have been given information and we have been asked something. By reading the problem we have to interpret that what we have to find. Okay. So let's read the problem so that we can understand. You are given below following information. Following information has been given to us. Price is given, amount demanded is given. Okay. After that, arithmetic mean of the price and arithmetic mean of the amount demanded is given over here. The standard deviation of price and the standard deviation of amount demanded is also given over here. And then we have correlation coefficient. Okay. Which will be used to calculate the regression coefficient. After that, what we have been asked? We have been asked obtain regression equation of amount demanded on prices and estimate likely demand when price is rupees 12.5. Okay. So we will consider that this price is the X variable and this amount demanded is the Y variable. Amount demanded means quantity demanded. Quantity demanded is the Y variable. Okay. We have been given AX, that is 10. We have been given AY, that is 35. We will write over here. Okay. AX is equals to 10. AY is equals to AX is equals to 10. AY is equals to 35. Then we have been given standard deviation of X. So we will write standard deviation of X is equals to 2. We have been given standard deviation of Y. We will write standard deviation of Y, that is equals to 5. Okay. We have been given coefficient of correlation, that is denoted by R. So we will write R is equals to 0.8. Okay. What we have to find? Obtain regression equation of amount demanded on price. Amount demanded on price. Okay. Obtain regression equation of amount demanded on price. Amount demanded is being denoted by Y and price is being denoted by X. So what we have to find? Regression equation of Y on X. Regression equation of Y on X. Okay. And estimate likely demand when price is 12.5. Means price is being denoted by X. Means X is given, that is 12.5. Okay. X is 12.5. So we have to determine the value of Y when X is 12.5. Means the value of the likely demand when the price is given in the question. So this way we have interpreted the question. We have denoted what has been given in the question and what we have to find out. Now what is the further step? Further step is the calculation of the regression coefficient and the regression equation with the help of given information. Okay. So here we have to find regression equation of Y on X. For that we will require the regression coefficient of Y on X. So let's calculate it. Regression equation of Y or regression coefficient of Y on X. Okay. What is the formula? BYX is equals to R into standard deviation of Y divided by standard deviation of X. Okay. What is the value of R? 0.8. What is the value of standard deviation of Y? 5. What is the value of standard deviation of X? 2. So 0.8 into 5 divided by 2. So when we do 5 divided by 2, so it comes to 2.5. So 0.8 into 2.5. When we do 0.8 into 2.5, so we get 2. So that is why the regression coefficient of y on x comes to 2 over here. Okay. Now what we have to find? We have to find out regression equation of y on x. Okay. We have to find out regression equation of y on x. Okay. What is the formula for that? So it is y minus mean of y series is equals to byx into x minus mean of x series. Okay. So here what y would be as it is. Ay, that is mean from y series, we have been given in the question, that is 35. Okay. After that byx we have computed, it has come to 2. X would be as it is. Ax means mean of x series. We have been given that in question. Okay, so it's equals to 10. After that y minus 35 is equals to 2 into x. It will be 2x. 2 into minus 10. It will be minus 20. So y is equals to 2x minus 20 plus 35. Why plus 35? Because we are taking this 35 on the right hand side from the left hand side, and when the value is transferred from the right hand side to from left hand side to right hand side, so the sign gets changed. Here it is in minus, that is why it's becoming plus over here. Okay. So after that y is equals to 2x minus 20 plus 35. If minus plus is there, we have to do minus and the sign of big number. So what is the sign of big number? Plus. 2x plus 35 minus 20. So 35 minus 20, it will come to 15. Okay. Sign of big number, that is why plus 15. Okay. So that this is the regression equation of y on x. And when we are having this regression equation of y on x, what we can find? We can find the value of y when the value of x is given in the problem. So here we have been given the value of x, that is 12.5. Okay. So we have to predict the estimated value of y. As per question, we have to predict the quantity demanded when the price is given. So we will assume that 12.5 rupees is the price, and we have to estimate how much quantity would be demanded at this price. So with the help of this equation, we can find out this thing. Okay. Y is equals to 2x plus 15. So y is equals to 2 into x. What is the value of x? 12.5. So we can write 12.5 over here plus 15. So y is equals to 2 into 12.5. 2 into 12.5, it comes to 25. 25 plus 15. So y is equals to 25 plus 15. So it comes to 40. Okay. So our answer is 40. Here we can say that, we can conclude that when the price of commodity is 12.5 rupees, so likely demand for the commodity will be 40 kgs. Okay. So this way we are done with this question. We have seen how to interpret a word problem when it is given in the question. After that we have seen how to how to derive a conclusion and how to conclude a problem. So this way we are done with this question over here. In next lecture we are going to see the new question, which will consist of some new concept. So till then, stay thirsty for the knowledge. Go through the video lectures that is being uploaded on the YouTube, and always stay thirsty for the knowledge, and start preparing for your exam, because it may be declared anytime. Thank you so much for staying tuned to us. Thank you.